Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's tip is to offer pricing packages, and you can do that on your own website, and you can offer pricing packages, for example starter, pro and exclusive or something like that. I would always recommend you to have three different packages. First one is really basic and it really includes all of the necessary information. For example, if you're doing website design, then just include, for example, design part inside of there. Middle package is the one where a client are actually going to go for, which is called the funnel, because you're actually trying to get them to purchase that middle package, because that's the best option value wise both for you and for them. Inside of there you're going to include all of the major components of a website design work. For example, let's take that example. So let's say communication, design brief, research, competitor analysis, paper wireframes in Adobe XD, and the design. And finally, in the most expensive package, usually the one on your right hand side, you're going to offer all of that plus coding. For example, if you know how to code, business cards, maybe even some flyers or something like that, perhaps social media graphics and stuff like that. So that's really the premium package, and your goal right here is to try to get clients to choose the middle package. Always try to communicate exactly what's included inside of each package, so that way clients don't get confused, and also make sure to set up deadlines and to set up timelines for those packages. So when you charge for them, clients are willing to understand and they know how long each package takes for you to complete and for you to deliver. So that way they are going to understand that, for example, after 7 days, let's say for the middle package, there is no more after that. But what you can do right here is to offer them upsell services, for example additional revision or 3 more days of work or presentation for your clients or stuff like that. And you can really offer all of those additional services on top of these pricing packages. So let's say that they choose a middle package, which is the best offer and most valuable offer both for you and for them, and they want to do some additional revision, let's say, then you can upsell them those additional revisions as additional product. You can do all of this through your website, of course, and you can integrate Gumroad, for example, which is free, or you can integrate PayPal. So you can give them the PayPal product per se, and they can purchase that product, or they can purchase a Gumroad product, which once again it's completely free to set up, and you can connect it with your website. So that way they can, for example, purchase additional revisions again and again and again if they are not happy with the design work, or if this project gets bigger and bigger. You can also offer them upsells in that way for the amount of pages. Let's say that this package starts with 5 pages. Any additional page is, for example, $100. So they can add that to the cart, for example, 10 times for 10 different pages, and there you got additional $1,000 to that project. So make sure to offer pricing packages as soon as you can, because it's going to really help your clients understand your services, and it's going to help you earn additional income through all of these additional upsells in all of these different packages. Finally, make sure to have a custom price. So apart from these 3 packages, for example, or you can do 2, but don't do more than 3 because that just confuses clients. You can create custom package. So you can put a banner on your website. For example, you have a custom offer in mind, let's talk, and then they can contact you via your contact form on your website to create a custom offer for them. Once again, you can use Gumroad, for example, to create that as a custom product. They can purchase that custom product, let's say 10 different revisions, 50 different pages, let's say responsive for 4 sizes, competitor analysis up to 3 competitors, research and stuff like that. They can purchase that as a separate offer and as a separate product, and you can create them you can create that offer just for that particular client. So once again, having pricing packages on your website is really a great way to make some additional income and to create all of these upsells and to help your clients understand your offer and to help them choose the best offer for them. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much, much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.